Good morning. Welcome back to Cinnamon Pass in Colorado near Ironton and Silverton. We came onto it out of Lake City. One of the things that we wanted to do while we were here is do some reviews of some of the equipment that we have and see what we learn about the stuff that we have, because it all sounds really great when you get it, right? One of those things is this Your Choice shower and potty tent, which is, it really works well for what it's intended for. It stores very small. You'll be able to see that in a minute. But it's like a kite, so we had to do some extra tie downs to keep it from blowing away on us last night. One of the tie downs we did was right here to the Jeep, to our rack, so that if it did try to blow away, we still wouldn't have to go fish it out of this gulch, because that would not be fun. But what I want to show you this morning is the one downfall. The downfall, well, I guess it's really two if you think about how much like a kite it is. But we always struggle with putting this thing up, because it just is difficult. But first thing, we gotta fold it in half.
Come back this way, then.
Okay, I think we got it. And then,
now, do we need that? There's a bungee in there. Has that been riding in there the whole time?
no, that bungee is for the potty. So I'm glad you saw it. It holds it together. Alright, supposedly you fold this in half and then twist. Over here.
Okay, first attempt was a fail.
First attempt failed. Alright, try again. I'm going this way.
So I go the opposite way.
Yes.
Sheesh.
Jeez. Okay.
Okay, we'll try it the other one.
Try it this way? Alright.
Oh, okay, let's just to talk it through. Let's walk to.
You're going to fold it in half.
Well, we are folded in half.
And now we're going to twist. Wait, we're starting to hit some there.
We did it, but y'all can see that is probably the biggest pain we go through.
That is a pain in the butt. Yeah, you're in the way.
Oh, sorry.
So this is what it folds up to, and the idea is that this would be really great, and it is when it works. But when it doesn't, it's a wrestling match, and we're up here at 11,000 feet elevation.
Cold. Now that, I'll tell you, that was probably the easiest that we've ever done.
Yeah, and a wrestling match is not a fun thing.
We've done it a couple days in a row now, and it's just it's a battle.
So bottom line here,
you really don't want battles when you're out doing this.
Yeah, we're going to be looking for an alternative. If anybody's got any suggestions, would not hurt our feelings if you
keep in mind with these suggestions, we have a 2-door JK, and we've got to minimize storage. It's a critical commodity for us. So it does makes it real small. Takes up very little area, very little space. So it's convenient in that regard. But
some pros. The pros are it stores small, and it does the job. The cons, it will blow away out into the gorge. If you don't have it all tied down good.
And it'll frustrate you. You don't need to be frustrated.
And it will frustrate you when you try to put it away.